दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
गोकुल तरुणी मंडल मोहिते गोकुल तरुणी मंडल मोहिते राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
दामोदर रोती वर्धन वेशे हरि निष्कुट वृंदाविने से दामोदर रोती वर्धन वेशे हरि निष्कुट वृंदाविने से राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
विषभानुदोधी नव सुशीलेखे ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे विषभानुदोधी नव सुशीलेखे
ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
करुणां कुरुमयि करुणा भरिते सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते करुणां कुरुमयि
जनक सनातन रमित चरिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
You can say Jashodanandana Ananda Vardhana. Jashodanandana. Jashodanandana Ananda Vardhana Nandatanaya Rasakupa Jashodanandana Ananda Vardhana Nandatanaya Rasakupa Harinam Tua Aneka Saru Harinam Tua Aneka Saru Harinam Tua Aneko Sarupa Harinam Tua Aneko Sarupa Jashodanandana Ananda Vardhana Nandatanaya Rasakupa Jashodanandana Are putana ghatana dinabhatta hanana sakata bhanjana gopal putana ghatana sakata bhanjana gopal murali bodana agavaka mardana govardhana dhari rakhal murali bodana govardhana dhari rakhal kesi mardana brahma bimohana surapati darpa vinasi kesi mardana Hare Varishta Nasana Gopi Vimohana Jamuna Pulina Vilasi Varishta Satana
Gopi Vimohana Jamuna
Varishta Satana Gopi Vimohana Jamuna Pulina Vilasi Satana कुंज बिहारी राधिका
Rajana Rasa Rasayana Radha Kunja Kunja Bihari.
हरे राम कृष्ण हरि माधव नर हरि पसादी गणे अवधूरी
Rama Krishna Hari Madhava Nara Hari Masadi Gana Avatari.
ओ गोविंद वामन श्रीमधुसूदन যাদব চন্দ্র বনমালী
Govinda Vamana Shri Madhusudana Yadava Vanamali.
আরে কালীয় সাতন গোকুল রঞ্জন রাধা ভজন সুখ সারি
Hariya Santana Gokula Vanjana Radha Vajana Sukha Sali.
ও ইত্যাদিক নাম স্বরূপে প্রকাম বারুক মোর রতি রাগে ইত্যাদিক নাম স্বরূপে প্রকাম বারুক মোর রতি ও রূপ স্বরূপ পদ জানে নিজ সম্পদ ভকতি বিনোদ ধরি মাগে হরি নাম তুয়া অনেক স্বরূপ হরি নাম তুয়া জয় হরি নাম জয় হরি নাম হরি নাম জয় হরি নাম
Jaya Hari Nama Jaya Hari Nama Jaya Hari Nama Jaya Hari Nama.
জয় হরি নাম জয় হরি নাম হরি নাম জয় হরি নাম
Jaya Hari Nama Jaya Hari Nama Jaya Hari Nama Jaya Hari Nama.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
Sai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Sai Gaur Hari Bol.
निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
Sai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Sai Gaur Hari Bol.
जय श्री श्री बुलंदर गिरिधारी श्री श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जी की जय जय श्री श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णु पाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत श्रीवान गोस्वामी महाराज की जय जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णु पाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत श्रीवान गोस्वामी महाराज की जय जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय जय भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज की जय भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद की जय गुरुपानुग गुरुवर्ग की जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यो एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Sravaman Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Lila Prashnavya Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas presented, all of my respectful guests.
首先，我向我嘅 Guru Vamana Maharaj 為 Narayana Maharaj 同埋其他參與喺永恆逍遙時光嘅靈性導師同資深訓練者嘅蓮花座敬拜。
So just we also sang this song, Harinam Tua Aneka Swarupa, and composed by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
我哋啱啱唱中咗 Harinama Tua Aneka Swarupa 係由 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 作寫。
First you may understand there are no difference Harinam and Sri Hari.
首先，我哋要明白聖名同主本身係冇分別。
This is the evidence coming from our Shastra.
呢個就係經典俾我哋嘅證明。
And Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukto Abhinnatvat Nama Namina. And in this Sanskrit verse very clearly explained, Abhinnatvat Nama Namina. Abhinnatvat means there are no difference between Harinam and Sri Hari.
頭先係梵文停跌，經典中提到話主同埋佢嘅姓名係冇差別。
And conditional soul, his name and his body completely different.
但係對於受束縛嘅靈魂，佢嘅名字同佢嘅靈魂係完
But
全唔
Lord's
關。
name and himself also same, Sachidananda Vigraha.
但係主佢同佢嘅姓名本身係冇分別。
And if you are chanting holy names, that means you are always associated with Sri Hari Krishna.
如果你係一直唱頌聖名嘅話，咁你就係一直同主聯誼緊。
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, one who chants holy names, that means he is always associated with Sri Hari.
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur講話佢經常唱頌聖名，即係話佢一直同至尊主聯誼。
So every day you chant holy names, and then every day you associate with Sri Hari.
所以如果你每日唱頌聖名，咁即係你每一日都同主 Sri Hari 聯誼。
And because there are no difference between Harinam and Hari, that is called Nama Nami Abhinna. There are no difference between Harinam and his name.
因為主同佢嘅姓名係冇差別。
And so Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Harinam Tua Aneko Sarupa. O Harinam, you possess unlimited form, such as Jasoda, beloved son, he who increased the bliss of Gokul, and the son of Nanda, and the deep well of Rasa.
歌詞嘅第一句提到話：哈利南啊，你有無限嘅形象，正例如亞蘇達最愛嘅兒子，而佢亦都係不停增加個 Gokula 嘅幸福感。
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song and explain how Lord Sri Hari, and means Krishna, manifested in his form and also performs human Leela and with his Brajavasi.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur 解釋咗 Sri Hari 點樣以人嘅形象作為 Krishna 同華讚嘅居民上演好似人咁嘅逍遙時光。
But Krishna's his origin form, that is called Nandanandan or Jasodanandan.
而 Krishna 至尊人格守神嘅形象就係 Yasoda 嘅兒子同埋 Nanda 嘅兒子。
Samsundar Madan Mohan, his name is called Samasundar Madan Mohan.
佢嘅名字都叫 Shamasunda Radha。
And so Jashoda Nandana, first Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Krishna is the beloved son of Mother Jashoda.
首先 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 就解釋咗 Krishna 係 Yasoda 媽媽最愛嘅兒子。
Because Mother Jashoda's heart is very soft, in the same qualification manifested in the heart of her son and Krishna.
因為 Yasoda 媽媽嘅心好柔軟，而同一個品質喺佢兒子身上都展現。
And because in our scriptures explain mother's all qualities, gunas manifested in the heart of his sons.
因為經典中提到媽媽有嘅天性亦都會喺佢兒子度展現。
And father's all qualification manifested in his daughter.
而爸爸所有嘅品質就會喺佢嘅女兒身上展現。
So Jashodanandan, the very sweet name, is the son of Mother Jashoda.
Yasoda Nandana 係好甜美嘅名字，即係話 Yasoda 媽媽嘅兒子。
And Mahaprabhu told, and Harinamer বহু ব্যাখ্যা কভু নাই শুনি যশোদানন্দন শ্যামসুন্দর এই মাত্র জানি. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I don't know the many meanings of Krishna name.
主張太爺曾經講過話，佢並唔知道 Krishna 名字好多嘅意思。
But I know his name is Jashodanandan and Shyamasundar.
但我知道佢叫做 Yasoda Nandana 同埋 Shamasunda。
And Jashodanandan means the son of Mother Jashoda.
Yasoda Nandana 嘅意思就係 Yasoda 媽媽嘅兒子。
Because this is Mother Jashoda, she is the embodiment of an Vatsal Bhav, that is called parental mode.
因為 Yasoda 媽媽係帶有父母情懷。
And in the same way, Krishna has same mother's quality, that is called Vatsal Bhav, towards his devotee.
所以 Krishna 都有 Yasoda 媽媽嘅本質，就係有父母情懷對於佢嘅奉獻者。
And so Krishna's one qualification is Bhakta Vatsalya. He has so much and Bhakta Vatsalya, that means so much affection towards his devotees.
所以 Krishna 對佢嘅奉獻者係好多愛同埋情感。
Even Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita,
Krishna 喺博吉梵嗰度講過。
Opiche Sudaracharo Bhajate Mang Ananna Bhako Sadhureva Samantabha Sammaga Vyapasita Sa. That means even any devotee, very fallen and wretched, but Krishna says, and he is my devotee, never neglect to him.
就算一個奉獻者有幾咁墮落同埋脆弱 ，Krishna 都話佢係我嘅奉獻者，你唔可以忽視佢。
And Krishna says, I will purify his heart.
而 Krishna 話我會親自去聖潔佢嘅心。
So why I am saying, because her mother Jashoda's heart is very soft, in the same qualification manifested in the heart of Jashodanandan Krishna.
點解講呢啲咧？因為 Yasoda 媽媽嘅心都好柔軟，而同樣嘅品質喺 Krishna 身上展現。
And also Ananda Vardhana.
而另一個就係 Ananda Vardhana。
When he who increased the bliss of Gokul, the son of Nanda Maharaj.
佢會增加 Gokul 嘅快樂，呢一位 Nanda 嘅兒子。
Because Krishna just giving his darshan, all the living entities completely intoxicated with his divine love.
因為 Krishna 只要俾眾生緊見，咁眾生嘅心都會充滿住對佢嘅愛。
Ananda Vardhana. Ananda Vardhana means he increased the bliss of all the Brajavasis.
Ananda Vardhana 嘅意思就係佢會令華讚居民所有嘅幸福增加。
Especially Krishna and give the bliss and increase the bliss with his flute and his very nice, beautiful, smiling face.
尤其是 Krishna 會用佢嘅笛子同埋佢甜美嘅笑容，令到華讚居民更快樂。
And especially gopis, when they see Krishna's very nice, beautiful, lotus face, then automatically their transcendental lust manifest in their heart.
例如木牛姑娘見到 Krishna 漂亮嘅容貌，好自然喺佢哋心入面就會浮起超然嘅快樂。
And Krishna's lips and adhur ashta as like the ripened bimbo fruits.
Krishna 嘅嘴唇就好似已經成熟嘅果實。
Have you seen bimbo fruits?
有冇見過紅色？
As like one small fruits. She brought also there. Look like this. Yesterday you cooked. And actually that is not the bimbo fall, but bimbo fruits look like this. But when ripened, completely reddish color.
標麻呢種果實，當佢完全成熟嘅時候，就會帶住紅色。
And when gopis they notice Krishna's very nice, beautiful, reddish color lips, then their heart completely overjoyed with divine love.
當高皮見到 Krishna 紅色嘅嘴唇嘅時候，佢哋嘅心就充滿住超然嘅愛，
And all their separation mood disappear.
而佢哋所有嘅分離情感都會消失。
Only the darshan of Krishna.
只要見到 Krishna，
Understand? If you take darshan to Krishna, then you will be completely intoxicated with divine love.
只要你僅見到 Krishna， 你嘅心就會好似中毒咁樣，充滿住超然嘅愛。
And Krishna also, he is called the deep well of Rasakupa.
Krishna 亦都係叫做 Deep Rasakupa。
Rasa means transcendental mellows.
Rasa 代表超然嘅情感。
And so our scriptures, so Rasa Vaisa, Jivalabdhan Nandar Bhavati. Krishna is called the embodiment of mellows, Rasa.
Krishna 亦都係所有情感嘅倉庫。
And for this regard, all the devotees in Braj become intoxicated with Krishna.
所以華讚嘅所有居民都係充滿住 Krishna。
And especially when Krishna he placed the fruit, everybody attracted and coming in front of him.
尤其是當 Krishna 吹奏起笛子，所有人都會被吸引而嚟到。
And Krishna performs his topmost lila, that is called Rasa Lila, with the gopis.
而 Krishna 上演佢最高嘅逍遙時光就係拿沙之舞。
Rasa Lila means dancing, singing, and also performing sweet aromas pastimes with Krishna.
拿沙之舞代表唱歌同跳舞，同埋同 Krishna 上演好似愛女般嘅逍遙時光。
Because Krishna he is called Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu. That means Krishna he is called the fathomless, the ocean of divine mellows.
因為 Krishna 係超然情感嘅海洋。
Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Putana Ghatana, Tinavartahana, Sakata Bhanjana Gopalo, Murali Bodhana, Aghavaka Mardana, Govardhana Dhari, and Rakhal. In this song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur remember Krishna's very nice, beautiful pastimes, Lila.
而喺歌詞嘅第二句，不聽不到阿塔庫記起咗 Krishna 細個上演嘅逍遙時光。
Krishna he is called Putana Ghatan.
Krishna 被稱為 Putana Gatana，
That means Krishna he killed Putana.
代表 Krishna 殺咗 Putana 呢位惡魔。
Putana means is what? Two meanings of Putana, I tell you.
Putana 有兩個意思。
Putana Put means pure.
Pure 代表純潔。
No means not. That means who is not pure, that is called impure. Krishna destroyed the impurity from the heart of his devotee.
所以 Putana 整個字代表不純潔，而 Krishna 可以摧毀落我哋內心嘅唔純潔。
In the conditional soul, in their heart, so many kinds of Putanas, that means impurity there.
喺受觸摸嘅靈魂心入邊係好多 Putana 唔純潔嘅嘢。
Because if you perform bhajan and sadhana to Krishna, first you have to clean your heart.
因為如果你為 Krishna 靈修嘅話，首先我哋要淨化我哋嘅內心。
So in the heart of the conditional soul, so many kinds of Putanas in there.
而喺受觸摸嘅靈魂心入邊有好多 Putana 唔純潔。
Understand? Putana means what did he say? Impure. Which are that the impure?
咁有乜嘢
Lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy, greed, enjoying the material sense gratifications.
當中包括憤怒啦、憎恨、妒忌同埋就係掛住感官享樂。
And if your heart full of anarthas, you cannot to perform bhajan and sadhana. For this regard, our scriptures explain: first you move all the anarthas, unwanted things from your heart.
如果你心入邊有好多惡習，你係靈修唔到㗎，所以經典提我哋要先靜我哋嘅內心。
But Krishna is very merciful and wonderful.
但係 Krishna 係好美妙同埋好仁慈。
The which Putana, she came in Vrindavan Braj,
嗰位 Putana 女巫嚟到華讚，
and manifested very nice, beautiful young lady,
而化身一個好美麗嘅少婦形象，
and tried to feed her breast milk to baby Krishna.
而嘗試用佢嘅母乳去餵 Krishna。
And actually Krishna, he killed Putana when he was only 6 days newborn baby.
而 Krishna 其實真係6歲大嘅時候就殺咗 Putana 惡魔。
Understand? And you know this Leela, Krishna Mokshan Ek, Putana Mokshan Leela. Putana Mokshan Leela.
呢個就叫 Putana Moksha Leela。
Sukadeva Goswami Pad, first he glorified how Krishna and killed the demon Putana, that is called Putana Mokshan Leela.
首先係歌嘅第二句，佢就歌榮耀咗 Krishna 點樣去殺 Putana 同埋 Putana Moksha 呢個逍遙時光。
So always when Putana means impurity, apavitrata.
所以 Putana 呢個字代表不整潔。
But now Putana, she came in Braj, disguised the form of very nice, beautiful, handsome young lady.
而家 Putana 就化身一個美麗嘅少婦嚟到華讚。
So for this regard, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj,
所以經典中就提到，
Aho bokiyang stanakalukutam, jighang sappasadi levire dhatruchitang, kang vadyalun saranang brajima. Putana, she came in Braj, just disguised, very nice, beautiful, and handsome lady.
Putana 就係化身一個美麗嘅少婦嚟到華讚。
But inside in the heart, she is thinking, how I will kill to Krishna.
但佢個心係諗緊點樣可以殺死 Krishna。
But Krishna is Bhagavan, so no one can kill to him.
但 Krishna 係至尊主，冇人殺到佢。
Understand? So Putana disguised from his original form.
所以 Putana 就化身做第二個形象。
Putana, she was actually ugly witch, Pishachi.
其實 Putana 本身係個好醜樣嘅女巫。
Sukadeva Goswami Pad told what is the qualification of Putana.
巴布巴有提過 Putana 有咩品質咧？
What is the qualification of Putana? Putana Balaghatini Rudhirasana. Two qualities of Putana.
Putana 有兩個品質。
And she kills the newborn baby.
佢會殺死新生嘅嬰兒，
And sucking their blood.
同埋會吸乾佢哋嘅血。
And for this regard, bad smell coming from the body of Putana.
所以 Putana 身上面散發咗好臭嘅味道。
Whatever you eat, that time's smell coming from your body.
你食乜嘢嘅話，咁嗰種味道就喺你身上面散出。
Understand? If you eat onion, garlic, then you can
如果你食
smell
葱，
will coming from your body. Onion, garlic, very bad smell.
如果你食葱蒜嘅話，你身上面就會散發出唔好聞嘅味。
Very difficult to sit in front of you if you eat the onion, garlic. Even your mouth, the smell will come, onion and garlic.
如果你食咗葱蒜嘅話，坐喺你對面會好辛苦，因為你嘅口氣都會臭。
This is true. And so for this regard, Putana, she killed a newborn baby and sucking their blood.
而普他那係會殺新生嘅嬰兒，同埋會吸乾佢哋嘅血。
And for this regard, Putana, she is very ugly and also bad smelling lady.
所以普他那唔單止醜樣，佢亦都好臭。
Understand? That time was not the plane. That time was not aeroplane.
而當時係冇飛機。
And if you would the aeroplane, she will not allow to enter in the
當
aeroplane.
時有飛嘅話，人哋唔會俾佢上機添。
Perfume.
Huh? Understand? Because bad smell, then all the passenger will be run away from the plane.
因為佢臭到，如果佢上機嘅話，機上面其他乘客都會暈啊。
This is true or wrong? Huh? Because Putana's body smell very strong and bad, what is called? Bad smell.
所以普他那嘅體味係非常之濃郁，亦都非常之臭。
But she came in Braj, just disguised, a very nice, beautiful, handsome young lady.
但係佢扮到一個非常之美麗嘅少婦嚟到華贊。
Then all the Brajavasis, they are thinking, oh, she has come from Vaikuntha Dham.
所有華鎮嘅居民都會覺得啊，佢係咪由無憂星嚟嘅呢？
For this regard, when Putana entered in Gokul and in the house of Nanda Maharaj, no one stopped to her.
所以喺冇人阻止嘅情況之下，佢就去到 Nanda Maharaj 嘅屋度。
Sukadeva Goswami very nicely explained Putana Moksha Lila, the deliverance of Putana.
經典中提到Putana Mukha 就係佢點樣被解脫呢？
And also Sukadeva Goswami explained how Krishna is merciful and wonderful.
Sukadeva Goswami 都解釋咗 Krishna 係幾咁美妙同
Ahobakiyang stanakalakutam jighang sapasadi leviridhatruchitang kangba dayalum saranam brajema kangba dayalu saranam brajema. Who does not want to shelter in Braj?
有邊個唔想住喺華贊呢？
And that means everybody like Braj Vrindavan.
代表每一個人都好喜愛華贊同 Vrindavan。
So saying, Kangbat Dayalu Saranam Brajim. Who does not want to take shelter at lotus feet of Krishna? And who is the supreme controller of Vrindavan?
邊一個唔想託庇於溫達文超然嘅控制者 Krishna 嘅蓮花足呢？
So Ahobakiyang Stanakala Kutam. And Krishna, he killed Putana. That is called the daughter of Bakasur, a sister of Bakasur.
Bakasur 嘅妹妹就係 Putana 而 Krishna 殺咗佢。
And for this regard, here in the sloka explained, and the Aho Bakiyang. Bakiyang means Putana, she was the sister of Bakasur.
普卡亞嘅意思就係代表普他那係普卡蘇嘅妹妹。
But she smeared the poison on her breast and tried to feed to Krishna and kill to him.
佢將毒藥塗滿佢嘅乳房，希望可以用母乳去餵 Krishna，從而殺死佢。
Because Krishna is Bhagavan and no one can kill to him.
因為 Krishna 係至尊，冇人殺到佢。
But Putana less intelligent, Durmati.
但普他那冇咩智慧，
She tried to kill to Krishna.
佢嘗試殺 Krishna。
And for this regard, she smeared the deadly poisonous snake and on her breast.
所以佢將致命蛇嘅毒藥塗喺佢嘅乳房上。
Deadly poisonous and what is called snake poison on her breast and tried to feed to Krishna.
佢將致命嘅蛇毒塗滿佢嘅乳房，嘗試餵 Krishna。
And Krishna sucking her breast.
Krishna 就喺佢嘅乳房度吸食
But
母
that
乳，
poison not affect in the body of Krishna.
但係嗰啲毒藥對 Krishna 一啲影響都冇。
Eh? If you drink the poison of snake, then you will be die.
如果你飲蛇毒嘅話，你就會致命。
But Krishna also sucking the breast of Putana, that the poison not affect in his body because Krishna is Bhagavan.
但係 Krishna 照樣吸食普他那嘅母乳，但係因為佢係至尊主，所以佢冇俾毒藥影
But
響。
Krishna sucking not the milk or the breast milk of Putana, sucking her and your life. That is called pranavayu.
但係 Krishna 吸食嘅其實唔係佢嘅母乳，而係佢嘅生命。
Then Putana left his body. Putana died.
然後普他那就離開咗佢嘅身體，佢就死亡。
When Putana died, and her body also cut in many pieces, and Brajavasis, they also burned in the fire.
而當普他那死咗之後，佢哋將佢嘅屍體斬成好多份而去用火燒。
But something happened. Wonderful thing happened.
而一樣好美妙嘅事就
And
發生。
when Brajavasis, they burned Putana's body, and sweet smell coming, and around the all bridge.
而當華澤居民用火燒普他那屍體嘅時候，美妙嘅事就發生啦。
As like the sweet smell of the sandalwood.
整個華澤都充滿住香氣，好似檀香嘅香氣咁。
And how possible?
有乜可能啊？
Putana, I told, she was very ugly and bad smelly lady.
頭先提過普他那好醜樣，同埋
But
佢。
when Krishna killed her, her body smell very beautiful and attractive, as like the smell of the lotus or sandalwood.
佢嘅氣味並唔好聞，但係點解 Krishna 殺完佢之後，佢嘅氣味會變得咁好聞，好似蓮花同檀香咁？
Because Krishna just touched her lips on her breast, and her body is so smelly, and all bad smelly disappear.
Krishna 只係將佢嘅嘴唇掂到普他那嘅乳房，咁普他那所有唔好嘅氣味就消失。
Not only this, when Krishna killed the Putana, Putana's soul and attained in Golok, and she became the maid servant of Mother Jasoda.
而當 Krishna 殺咗普他那嘅時候，佢就投身喺 Goloka 成為 Yasoda 媽媽嘅女僕。
Putana, she did not perform bhajani and sadhana, nothing.
普他那冇靈修，亦都冇服務。
Just she disguised the form of young lady and also tried to kill to Krishna.
佢只係裝扮成一個美麗嘅少婦，純粹係殺 Krishna。
For this regard, Krishna also delivered to her from the Putana bodies and attained in Golok, Vrindavan, a Golok, in the maid servant of Mother Jasoda.
但係 Krishna 就將佢從普他那嘅身體拯救出嚟，成為 Yasoda 媽媽喺華贊嘅女僕。
Actually, Putana, she was in previous life the daughter of Bali Maharaj.
其實普他那前身係 Bali Maharaj 嘅女兒。
You know Bali Maharaj? And so, when Krishna manifested in the form of what is it called? Vaman avatar, incarnation of Vaman Dev Bhagavan, the son of Kasyap and Aditi.
當時 Krishna 係以 Ramana Maharaj 嘅形象展現。
And that time Vaman avatar incarnation of Lord Vaman, very small, and it is called Dopt.
而 Ramana Maharaj 嘅形象係非常之矮小嘅侏儒。
But he is Bhagavan, so his form is very beautiful and attractive.
但因為佢係至尊主，所以佢嘅形象都非常之美麗。
So when Bali Maharaj's daughter Ratnabali saw Vaman avatar, then she completely intoxicated with the beauty of Vaman Dev Bhagavan.
當時 Bali Maharaj 嘅女兒見到 Ramana Maharaj 嘅時候， 覺得俾佢吸引，心入邊充滿咗超然嘅喜愛。
Just in her mind, she was thinking, oh, this boy, if would my son, then I will feed by my breast milk. That's called Vatsalabha.
呢位公主就諗啦，如果佢係我嘅兒子，我就會親自餵食佢。
But when Vamandev Bhagavan took all her father's property, kingdom, everything, then and Ratnavali, she became very angry, and she told, "Oh, he is big cheater." And he took all my father's property and sent in Patala Loka.
但係當花問啦 Dave 攞走晒巴利馬哈拉所有嘢嘅時候，呢位公主就覺得好憤怒，覺得被欺騙。
So he is big cheater.
而佢係一個大騙子。
And when Bali Maharaj asked to Vamandev, "What do you want? Take donation from me."
當巴利馬哈拉問花問 Dave， 你究竟想我俾你啲咩？
Then Vamandev told, "I am Brahman boy. I have no need a lot of land. Just give Tripad Bhumi. Tripad Bhumi, 3 steps of the land."
花問 Dave 就話啦：我喺個婆羅門，我只係需要3步嘅。
I told Vamandev was very dot, very small. So his feet length is very small.
因為花問 Dave 係個豬，所以佢隻腳都好細。
Tripad, 3 means 3 steps of feet.
佢只係需要3步嘅土地。
But here 2 meanings of 3 paths.
但係3步有2個意思。
First meaning 3 path meaning 3 steps of the feet.
第一個意思就係3步嘅土地。
A second 3 path. That means Krishna, he wants Sarga, Martha and Patal. Sarga means heavenly planet. Martha means material world. Patal means lower planet.
因為3步亦都係代表天堂星球、物質世界同埋地。
Bali Maharaj was thinking 3 paths means just he wants 3 steps.
但係 Bali Maharaj 嘅意思就以為係3步嘅地。
Different intelligence. Different level.
When Bali Maharaj took Ajman and promised, "Okay, I will give you 3 path land to you."
所以 Bali Maharaj 就做咗 Ashman 就應承話我會俾你3尺嘅地。
Then Vamandev Bhagavan he manifested and his Trivikram Sarup, very and what is called? Giant and very big body.
然後 Vamandev 就化身咗一個好大嘅巨人。
And he first step he also measurement whole world.
佢第一步已經係踏遍咗整個世界。
And second phase, he also took the measurement of the heavenly planet.
第二步佢踏到去天堂星球。
And then Bali Maharaj asked, "So where is your 3 legs? Another legs, where is that?"
Bali Maharaj 咁你第3步諗住踏去邊？
Then Vamandev Bhagavan manifested his 3rd legs from her navel.
Bali Maharaj 就話你有2隻腳，咁第3隻腳喺邊啊？咁 Vamandev 即刻喺佢嘅肚臍展現咗隻腳出嚟。
Then also that 3rd leg went to cross the Brahmalok to Vaikuntha.
第3隻腳超過咗 Brahmaloka 去到 Vaikuntha Dham。
That time Brahmaji he worshipped that lotus feet, and that full bathing water he kept in his kamandal. That is called Ganga Jal, water of the Ganges.
而當佢嘅隻腳穿過 Brahma 嘅居所嘅時候 ，Brahma 就即刻向佢嘅蓮花為佢蓮花足沐浴，而嗰啲浴足水就變成咗恒河水。
Later that the water of the Ganges, Ganga Jal, when Sagar Maharaj dynasty, Bhagirath, he brought that Ganges in this material world and purified the heart of all the living entities.
然後幫啲 Maharaj 就將呢個浴足水恒河帶到去物質世界，可以淨化所有眾生。
So try to the Ganga Jal means is what? The water of the Ganges means the food bathing water of Lord Vamandev.
所以恒河水就係 Vamandev 嘅浴足水。
Understand? But this Ganga Jal is very powerful, very transcendental.
所以恒河係非常之有力量同超然。
If you take bath in the Ganges, water of the Ganges, then all your sinful are predestined.
如果你喺恒河沐浴嘅話，你嘅所有罪惡都會被超除。
Understand? In India, this is also tradition. If anybody will die, after burning his body, that ashes put in the Ganges.
而喺印度嘅傳統，一個人火葬之後，佢嘅骨灰都會灑落恒河。
even the ashes put in the Ganges, also that person will be delivered from this material world.
而只要接觸到恒河水嘅話，嗰個人都會係超越物質世界。
Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song, Gangaro paraso hoile paschate pavan. If you touch the water of the Ganges, then you will be purified.
不天分那塔庫喺歌入邊寫到話，只要你接觸到恒河水，你嘅罪惡就會被清洗。
So now coming in this story, so when Vamandev Bhagavan manifested Trivikram form,
故事講到話，花曼納馬哈拉成為巨人之
and
後，
took and her father's all property and everything.
然後攞走晒巴利馬哈拉所有嘅財
Then
產。
Ratnavali, the daughter of Bali Maharaj, she became very angry.
Ramavali 公主佢就變得非常之憤怒，
That time she told, oh, this small boy is very big cheater.
佢就覺得呢個小侏儒係一個大騙子。
He shows his small feet
佢見到佢對腳仔，
to my father for the donation of Tripad Bhumi land.
佢俾對咁細嘅腳仔我爸爸睇，然後就要求3尺嘅
But
地。
when my father promised to give him, then he manifested big form and took all my father's property.
但係當我爸爸答應咗佢嘅請求之後，佢就化身做咁大嘅巨人，而攞晒我爸爸所有嘢。
That time she became very angry and told. And before I was thinking, if you would become my son, I will feed my breast. Now thinking, okay, I will kill to him and feeding my breast milk and smear with the poison.
公主見到之前嘅佢就諗啦，你咁美麗，我希望你成為我嘅兒子，我可以餵你。但係當佢化身巨人之後，公主就諗啦，咁我想殺咗你，因為你呃咗我。
That time Vamandev Bhagavan in his mind told to her,
當時巴文迪就喺心入邊
Hey
同佢
Ratnavali,
講
I am Bhagavan. You cannot kill to me to feed your breast milk with smear with the poison.
我係至尊主，你殺我唔到嘅，就算你喺乳房上塗滿毒藥，你都殺我唔到。
But in your heart first you think you feed your breast, so I must also sucking your breast.
但係你見到我心入邊第一個浮起嘅就希望餵我，咁我一定會俾你餵我。
With Yogamaya, same Putana is same, what is his name? Ratnavali appeared in Mathura in the form of which Putana?
而喺瑜伽貓爺嘅影響之下，同一位公主就以普塔娜嘅形象喺
Then she came in Gokul Vrindavan and Kamsa sent her. But Krishna sucking her breast and killed her Putana body.
喺 Vrindavan 出現咗，而 Krishna 喺佢嘅乳房度絕食，就殺死咗佢以普塔娜嘅身體。
Here also Aho Vakyang Stanakalukutam Jigan Sapasadi Levere Dhatruchitang Kangbadealu Saranam Brajanam. And how is merciful Krishna?
咁想象下 Krishna 幾咁仁慈。
And Putana she came in Braj, tried to kill to Krishna.
普塔娜嚟到話就係為咗殺 Krishna。
But Krishna killed her Putana bodies and sent her Atma in Golok and the maid servant mother Yashoda.
但係 Krishna 殺死咗普塔娜嘅物質身體，而將佢嘅靈魂派遣到 Vrindavan 成為耶穌大媽媽嘅女僕。
So for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song Harinam Tuan first he is remembering and Putana Mokshan Lila.
所以喺 Bhakti Vinod Thakur 歌嘅第二句就講咗 Putana Mukha 呢個逍遙時光。
Understand? Two meaning, two things also here. Because sadhak heart should be neat and clean. Because in sadhak heart so many putanas, not only putana. Putana means here impurity.
呢度兩個意思，第一就係我哋個心有好多不潔淨嘅嘢 Putana。
If your heart full of impure, apavitra, you cannot do bhajan and sadhana.
如果你嘅心充滿住不潔同埋惡習，係好難靈修。
First you remove all kinds of impure, apavitra, and from your heart.
首先你要將心入邊所有嘅不潔清除。
Maybe your question is how will you to remove all kinds of impurity from your heart?
咁個問題就係我哋點樣可以淨化我哋嘅內心？
Such as lust, anger, impatience, how to remove?
例如色欲、憤怒、妒忌，我哋點樣去清除？
For this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, rendering chanting of the holy names, Nam Sankirtan.
於是馬哈普就話你不停唱誦聖名，一齊誦聖
Six
名。
chapter first book, what is that? You know? Chitu darpanavamarjanam bhavamaha davaga nirvapanam Sreya kairava chandrika vidranam vidyavadhu jivanam Anandam vadivardhanam pratipadam purnam mritasadanam Sarvatmasnapanam param vijayati Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Nam Sankirtan. If you render any chanting holy names, then all your unearths will slowly remove from your heart.
唱誦聖名啦，齊誦聖名啦，只要你唱聖名，你心入邊所有嘅惡習都會被清除。
For this here also explain Putana Ghatana Tinavarta Hanana and Krishna also next he killed Tinavarta.
然後 Krishna 就殺咗
Sakatasur.
全拉巴塔呢個惡魔。
And Krishna first he killed Putana, then he killed Sakatasur, then he killed Tinavarta.
Krishna 先殺咗 Putana， 之後殺咗另外一個惡魔，最後就殺咗 Charvata。
Understand? So here also explain, hey Lord Krishna, you are the slayer of Putana and Tinavarta demons. He who breaks the cord and protector of the cows, the players of the flute and destroyer of the Aghasur and Baka demons. And the lifer of the Govardhan, a lifter of the Govardhan hill and also a cowherd boy.
剛先嘅第二句就寫到 Krishna 係 Putana 同埋 Charvata 惡魔嘅屠者，佢打破咗列車，同埋佢係牛嘅保護者，佢係吹笛子者，亦都係 Anga 同 Baka 惡魔嘅摧毀者。
That means in this song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained how holy name Krishna himself manifested in the form and also performed sweet lila in front of the Brajavasis.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur 呢度就係展示俾我哋睇 Krishna 係用咩形象去上演華讚嘅逍遙時
In the
光。
first song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur very clearly explained all Krishna lilas manifested in his heart.
喺呢首歌入邊，Bhaktivinoda Thakur 展示咗俾我哋睇 Krishna 嘅逍遙時光係佢心入邊上演嘅形象。
So when you chant holy names, remember this song, how Harinam and none difference from Sri Hari Krishna.
當我哋唱誦聖名嘅時候，我哋要記得呢首歌，知道聖名同主並冇差別。
Maybe later we will discuss Kesi Mordano and Brahma Vimohano Surapati Darpa Vinasi and Arishta Satana Gopi Vimohano Jamuna Pulina Bhagnasi. You kill the Kesi demon.
第三個就話你殺咗 Keshi 呢個惡魔。
And bewilder Brahma and break the pride of Indra.
迷惑咗四面神同埋摧毀咗。
Oh Lord Krishna, you killed and Aghasur.
Indra 嘅虛榮，第一個就話你殺咗 Keshi 惡魔。
And enchant all the young gopis and performs playful pastimes among the banks of Jamuna.
然後你迷惑咗所有嘅牧牛姑娘喺達摩那河岸嘅河邊上演快樂嘅逍遙時光。
Good Premanandi.
Okay,
Okay, now we take breakfast. Every day we read this song. Harinam tu anika sarupa. Jasodanandana Ananda Vardhana Nandatana Rasapupa Harinam tu anika sarupa. Okay, now take good.
other demons, they didn't attain Golok, but why Putana attained
This is Krishna's speciality.
What is the specialty?
Because
He has this Vatsalya mood in the
No, no.
Was it that? What's
because in Nrsimha avatar and Prahlad Maharaj, he is the pure devotee of Lord. That time Nrsimha Dev Bhagavan, he told Prahlad, if anybody will come your dynasty, I will give him mercy.
So Putana is from Prahlad's dynasty.
Bali Maharaj
Yes, sir.
related with
Yes.
Prahlad
Yes.
Maharaj, and also
Yes.
Putana, that means Ratnabali, she, that daughter, for this reason.
granddaughter。
Dynasty. Yeah.
咁頭先就問到話點解 Putana 同其他惡魔唔同 ？Putana 可以被 Krishna 帶到去 Golok Vrindavan，而其他惡魔唔得咧？咁係因為講翻 Nrsimhadev 嘅逍遙時光，當時 Nrsimhadev 俾 Prahlad Maharaj 嘅祝福就係所有你皇朝、你家族嘅人，只要想嘅話都可以去到 Golok Vrindavan。
Huh?
而巴利
Other,
馬
other demons, they have no relationship direct with pure devotee.
而因為呢位公主係巴利 Maharaj 嘅女兒，而巴利 Maharaj 係 Prahlad Maharaj 嘅孫，所以佢哋係有關係，所以佢想我去
Even Vaman Dev, he gave his lotus feet on the head of Bali Maharaj.
所以你會見到 Vaman 佢將佢嘅腳擺咗喺巴利 Maharaj 嘅頭頂，所以巴利 Maharaj 都可以翻到靈性世界。
Showing with this. Putana, she is special, she got the special mercy from Lord Krishna.
所以普塔娜佢係有主特別嘅仁慈。
Yeah. For this regard, here, Sukdev Goswami told Srimad Bhagavatam, Aho Bhakyam Stana Kala Kutam. Putana, she did not bhajan and sadha.
所以普塔娜佢冇靈修過，
And she was also demon.
而佢亦都係惡魔，
And killing the newborn baby.
殺咗好多新生嬰兒，
And bad smelly her body.
身體好難聞嘅體臭，
Because she was sucking the blood of the babies.
因為佢係吸 BB 仔嘅血。
But Krishna is merciful and wonderful also.
但係 Krishna 係非常之仁慈同
Just
埋
I
美
told
妙。
Krishna when just touch his leaves on the breast of Putana, then Putana's body is all bad smelly, disappear.
但係 Krishna 只要將佢嘅嘴唇掂到佢普塔娜嘅胸膛，普塔娜嘅身體得到淨化而帶住香氣。
So for this regard, when Brajavasis, they cut Putana's body small pieces and put fire, then sweet smell comes.
所以當華贊居民將普塔娜嘅身體分開細份而去用火
But
燒嘅時候，就
where this
香
sweet
味。
smell coming from the Putana's burning body?
咁呢啲香氣嚟自普塔娜嘅身體邊度嚟嘅咧？
Actually coming from Krishna's lotus leaves.
其實係嚟自於 Krishna 嘅蓮花嘴。
So you cannot imagine how Krishna is merciful and wonderful.
所以你係好難想像 Krishna 係有幾咁美妙同埋仁慈。
Good, Preman. Okay, now take it.
So
Good.
like one last question. Like like I heard in the Katha also you said that even a devotee who's just taken Diksha, who is in Kanista level, then his or her family also
Also,
get
even
the same, even if they have not done any sadhan bhajan.
no, they don't understand that Krishna will give some chance, opportunity to the next birth. I will to associate with the devotee.
問題就係問曾經提到，無論喺邊一個階層好低落嘅階層，只要你得到 Diksha 嘅時候，咁佢整個家族都會得到超升。咁 Maharaj 嘅答案就係 Krishna 係俾個機會佢，話唔定佢
If you
合
not do
下
bhajan,
世可以
you
投生。
cannot deliver.
But if it's a pure devotee,
Eh?
like if
Are
it's a
pure devotee? There is a
then-
Konishta Adhikari. Konishta
Nah,
Adhikari is not pure
Kanista
devotee.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. Kanista is not.
Even
but if it's pure
one who chants holy names and following the four principles, also is called Konishta Adhikari. Konishta Adhikari actually not the pure devotee. But if there is a Konishta devotee in your dynasty, then your mother side, father side also will get benefit, opportunity to associate with sadhu sangha.
所以就算你係唱中聖名嘅話，唔代表你係純粹奉獻者，但係你會有個Krishna 會俾個機會你同奉獻者聯誼，同聖人聯誼。
This is the things. And Putana also she deliver from this material world. One thing, Putana she always absorbs how to kill to Krishna.
而另一個原因點解普坦娜會得到超脱？因為佢係完全融入咗諗 Krishna 雖然係殺佢。
Understand? This is the absorption.
Even though it was negative.
Even in negative, but this is also observed and absorbed and herself. How to kill to Krishna?
Like
呢一個
Kans was also.
Kamsa also observed, but Krishna, though Kamsa is opposite mode, Putana also opposite mode, but Putana's background related with Prahlad Maharaj.
我哋主要係講個投入度有幾多。普坦娜係成日諗住點樣去殺 Krishna， 雖然堪薩都成日諗住去殺 Krishna， 因為普坦娜有過去嘅經歷，所以普坦娜就可以咁樣獲得解脫。
You understand?
Does it mean we don't have Bali Maharaj or Prahlad Maharaj pure devotee as our family member? So if we have the Guru as a pure devotee, we can also like this have the mercy go
Then
back
Guru,
to God.
Guru will help you. This is the duties of Guru.
雖然我哋未必同花啲馬哈有直接嘅血緣關係，但係如果我哋嘅 Guru 係純粹奉獻者，我哋嘅 Guru 就會幫
If
助
you
我哋。
absolutely surrender Lotus feet of Guru and Krishna, then Guru and Krishna help you.
因為呢個係 Guru 嘅任
More
務。
than Bali Maharaj, more than what is called Prahlad Maharaj.
如果你可以完全託俾於 Guru 同 Krishna 都會幫你，甚至比幫花啲 Maharaj 同埋 Prahlad Maharaj 更加幫你幫得多。
And the Guru actually he is the very nearest dearest of his Srimati Radhika.
因為 Guru 係 Shiradi Radhika
So
好親密嘅
so
朋
when
友。
you compare Prahlad Maharaj and Guru, not same level.
所以當你比較嘅時候 ，Prahlad Maharaj 同 Guru 其實唔係同一個層
More
次。
intimate. Yes, more intimate.
So try to understand this.
所以嘗試去理解呢一樣嘢。
Good.